If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If you subscribe to a QuickBooks Online payroll service like QuickBooks Online Payroll Premium, you are prompted to enter all the necessary information needed to create your payroll through a setup wizard. To start the payroll setup wizard, if you have a QuickBooks Online Payroll subscription, hover over the payroll link in the navigation bar, and then click the Overview link in the side menu that appears to open the Overview page to the right. Then click the Get Started link that appears in the Overview page to perform the initial payroll setup in the Getting Started window that then opens. Answer the questions posed to you in each screen and click the Next button to continue through the screens. This will let you enter the required payroll information and settings. If you exit the wizard early, you can perform these same tasks by clicking the Start or pencil icon for the payroll setup tasks that appear on the Setup Tasks list on the Overview payroll page. This allows you to do the setup when it is convenient and edit any information as needed. After finishing the initial payroll setup, you can review your payroll settings to change them if needed. To access the payroll settings if you have a QuickBooks Online Payroll subscription, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Payroll Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the Payroll Settings window. To edit the settings in the sections of the Payroll Settings window, click the pencil icon at the right end of the section. Doing this then either shows the settings in the Payroll Settings window, or it opens a new window where you can change the related settings. To save your changes to the settings, click the OK or Save button in the window and, if needed, return to the Payroll Settings window. Alternatively, click the Cancel button to discard the changes and, if needed, return to the Payroll Settings window. To close the Payroll Settings window, click the Done button in its lower right corner. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.